Good morning class. I am Komal Bardia. In the previous lecture of commercial law or business law, we have seen the classification of contracts. Okay. Now in today's lecture, your next topic is difference between or the points which differ from void agreement and voidable contract. Okay. You have next topic, that is void agreement and voidable contract. ठीक है. Now in which first point is about the meaning. What is the meaning of void agreement? What is the meaning of void agreement? The agreement which is void ab initio, that is which is invalid from the beginning, is called as void agreement. ठीक है. जो एग्रीमेंट स्टार्टिंग से फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगनिंग ही क्या होता है, इनवैलिड होता है, इसके कोई एग्जिस्टेंस का वैल्यू नहीं होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज void agreement. Okay. And what is the meaning of voidable contract? Voidable contract, voidable, one person can break the contract means if another party is not performing his duty, his obligation, the first party can deny from the contract. Okay. So it is at the option of one party that one party can break the contract if someone is not performing his obligation or his duty. Okay. Hope you are clear with the meaning of void agreement and voidable contract. Again I am reading the meaning, that is what is the meaning of void agreement. Void contract or void contract is a type of agreement that is null. Its effect is null and invalid from its information or becomes invalid at the some point of future. ठीक है. And what is voidable contract? Voidable contract is a type of agreement that can be made void only by one parties that made the contract, and this contract enforceable by law only at one party. ठीक है. यहाँ पर सिर्फ क्या है, वन पार्टी ही अपना कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो है वो ब्रेक डाउन कर सकता है. Okay. Now second point for differing this both the contracts or both the agreements. Second is example. We'll see the examples of void agreement and voidable contract. Okay. What are the example? Laptop and drug. If Mr. X deals with the Mr. Y for exchanging his laptop in the consideration of drugs, contract in drugs are void, that is void ab initio, ये invalid है. यदि कोई पर्सन अपने कोई चीज़ के लिए सामने वाले से एक्सचेंज में ड्रग्स ले रहा है तो दिस इज़ void agreement. ओके. ये क्या है, void agreement है. क्लियर. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज exchanging of laptop in the exchange of rupees or in the consideration of rupees 20, but the person with whom you are doing this contract, who is ready to give you rupees 20 in the exchange of laptop, if that person is of unsound mind or disturbed mind, you cannot do the contract, or you can cannot enter into the agreement. That will be the void agreement. Okay. First one is meaning, second one is example. Example of void agreement are exchange of laptop in the exchange of laptop in the consideration of drugs, और हम बोल सकते हैं exchange of laptop in the consideration of rupees 20 with the person of unsound mind. Unsound mind person क्या है, they are not हम लोग बोलेंगे capable of entering into the contract. If you are doing the contract with such a person, that will be void agreement or void contract. An example of voidable contract is contract of laptop with a minor. ठीक है. If you are entering into the contract with the minor for exchanging his laptop, the minor can deny at any time of contract, भाई मैंने तो ये कुछ किया ही नहीं था. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यदि कोई छोटा बच्चा जाके शॉपकीपर से और डेयरी मिल्क ले रहा है, 5 स्टार ले रहा है, ही इज़ टेकिंग समथिंग फ्रॉम द शॉपकीपर, लेकिन उसके पेरेंट्स ने बोला था क्या कि आप देना उसे नहीं, तो वो जो पर्सन है, वो जो माइनर है, वो कभी भी बोल सकता है मैंने तो मांगा ही नहीं था, मैंने तो बोला ही नहीं मेरे पापा देंगे, आपने ही मुझे चॉकलेट दे दी. तो एट दैट टाइम द माइनर कैन ब्रेक द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. इट इज़ अवॉइडेबल एट द ऑप्शन ऑफ माइनर पर्सन. ओके. Next one is legality. Next point is legality. See, void agreement or void contract are invalid or its effects are null from the very beginning. They are void ab initio. From the very beginning they are void. So there is a no, it is not legal. To entering into the contract with of void agreement or void contract, they are not legal. At the option of second one, that is at the option of voidable contract, the one person can break the contract. So it is only of the option of one party that it is enforceable by law, but one person can break the contract at any time of the contract. Okay. Next one is, fourth point is enforceability. Fourth point is enforceability, that is whether it is enforceable by law or not. See, void agreement are not at all enforceable by law. Law इसकी परमिशन हमें देता ही नहीं है. But what is about the voidable contract? इसमें आप कॉन्ट्रैक्ट तो कर रहे हो लेकिन वन पार्टी कैन ब्रेक द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. नेक्स्ट वन इज कॉम्पेंसेशन. कॉम्पेंसेशन देखिए, जब वॉइड एग्रीमेंट है या वॉइड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, इसमें क्या है, आपका कॉम्पेंसेशन भी लीगल नहीं होता है. इसमें कॉम्पेंसेशन भी आपका लीगल नहीं होता है. बट इन द voidable contract the compensation can be demanded. But in the voidable contract the compensation can be demanded on the basis of the relation or your nature. Okay. Next one is collateral transaction. अभी देखिए, कोलैटरल, जब आपका मेन एग्रीमेंट ही void है, मेन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ही void है, तो कोलैटरल ट्रांजेक्शन भी क्या रहेंगे, void रहेंगे. यहाँ पर कोलैटरल ट्रांजेक्शन का भी क्या रहेगा, void रहेंगे. बट एट द ऑप्शन ऑफ वॉइडेबल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, यहाँ पर कोलैटरल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स पे कोई भी इफ़ेक्ट्स नहीं होता है. यहाँ पर कोलैटरल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पे या कोलैटरल ट्रांजैक्शंस पे कोई भी इफ़ेक्ट नहीं होता है. ठीक है. अगेन आई एम टेकिंग क्विक रिविजन ऑफ दिस. व्हाट इज़ void agreement? Which is invalid from the very beginning, its effect is nil. What is voidable contract? It is voidable at the option of one party. Second one is examples. Examples are laptop in the exchange of drug or laptop in the exchange of ₹20 with the person of unsound mind. वो हो जाएगा आपका एग्जाम्पल. और इसमें होगा आपका एग्जाम्पल अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट विद द माइनर. द माइनर कैन टेक हिज स्टेप बैक एट एनी टाइम ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. लीगैलिटी, इट इज़ नॉट लीगल, it is legal but it can be enforceable at the it can be unenforceable at the option of one party. Enforceable, it is unenforceable by law, it is enforceable by law. Compensation, there is a no any option of compensation because it is an void, but there is an option of compensation, यानी भरपाई करके देने का यहाँ पर एक ऑप्शन होता है. Collateral transaction, collateral transaction means related transaction related to the your main agreement or main contract. Collateral transaction, if your main contract or main agreement is void, तो आपका collateral transactions भी void रहेंगे. और in the voidable contract, collateral transaction does not get any effect. ठीक है, collateral transaction does not get any effect. Hope you are clear with this some points, because एग्जाम में आपका आ सकता है डिफरेंस बिटवीन द void agreement or void contract and voidable contract. So you should write at least 4 to 6 points for distinguishing it. Okay. Hope you like the video, you understand very clearly. If you have any queries, you can write down in the comment box. I will definitely try to solve your queries. Thank you.